Hi my loves, welcome to the second vlog in my new home series where I take you along as Wilson and I create our dream space together. If you missed the first video, I shared that we finally bought a house after searching for 2 years and began the process of renovating. This has personally been a challenging yet fun and fulfilling experience for me as we're learning so much for the first time. This journey has allowed me to tap into my designer side, and it brings me so much joy to envision my ideal space and then take the steps to turn it into a reality. Of course, no journey is without its challenges and mishaps, but I'm learning to embrace it all along the way. There is a lavender tape. It's so pretty, beautiful, gorgeous. Oh, we did it! Whew. We realized you have to cut it this way instead of flat. How do you want to put it in?
Where your camera's at. It's gotta go straight to the front.
But it's about getting the shot. Checking on the house today. I wish I got a detailed shot of the floor before. We regrouted because it was really old, so this was all black before. So it looked like black lines, and now it matches the tile again. Oh my gosh, look at our kitchen. The tile is in. It's beautiful. I knew this tile was beautiful. Our arches are completely done. Added texture to match everything else in the house. Ooh, it looks so clean. We're gonna add cabinets down here. We chose to do like smooth finish for this wall. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's like a blank canvas right now, but it looks so pretty.
Words can't explain what I'm feeling.
Hello, I came to drop off some stuff today and the vibe is just so relaxed. The lighting is so good. We have some afternoon light coming in here. I think I showed you these arches finished, but I didn't show you the upstairs bookshelf. It just looks so clean. This is gonna be so beautiful once we decorate it. Over there on that wall, our hidden bookshelf. It's cute, huh? Today I actually brought some paint samples to look at the house. These are all the different colors of beige, off-white, and taupe for the kitchen cabinets.
Being with you feels as easy as breathing. Right when I told you just...
So currently this room is painted blue, so I feel like it affects how I'm looking at the colors. And when I bring it to the next room, it's like warm and sunny here. The colors look so different. But at the same time, the light hits different in here versus out there. So this is hard. It's hard to see what it's really gonna look like. Here we have a lighter palette. Here we have more beige and taupes and grays. Because this room is so cool, these look more cool toned than I thought. I don't know how it would be once we like paint the walls a new color. This is not that easy. Trying it on another wall in the kitchen. So this is the second main wall that you'll look at, and the lighting already hits it differently. Is there one that you guys like? I don't know, it's hard to tell. Kristen came to visit, and she's so sweet. She brought flowers and toilet paper. My first housewarming gift is toilet paper. I love it!
And flowers from Costco.
Aww.
Oh my gosh, I love the views of just coming up and seeing that.
This is actually the first reaction I've gotten from a friend. Like, really? You're the first person to see this in person.
Like this roof?
Outside of me and Wilson, yeah, and his dad.
Way. Yeah, so special.
There's this whole area in Orange County where you can look at countertops. I'm looking for specifically natural stone because they have healing properties if you believe in like stones and crystals. These quartz sites and stuff have been created over, I don't know, thousands or millions, I don't know how many years, but a lot of years, right? And I think that's special. takes a long time to find the one, and there's so many different places to shop, so yeah. Does anybody know Roller Girl? Because I have been jamming to this music all day today and I feel so good. I'm so joyful. She's basically an artist from the 90s, like the early days of like happy techno, and I was literally like 10 years old or even younger when I was listening to this, but it just makes me feel so happy. So I'm in a good mood today. I'm trying not to get marble because it's really expensive, but so beautiful. Natural stone is so pretty. Like, how did the earth make this art? It's really art. Wow. Today I'm out here with my mom. We're looking at countertops. I brought my mom because she loves crystals and natural stones, so we're both having a lot of fun today. Sitting on the floor desk, okay. Amazing. It is so hot today. It's like over 100 degrees, but we are having someone come over to do a sound bath at our house. She's someone I actually met online and it's my first time meeting her in person, but yeah, she offered to do a sound bath and I think it just makes sense to, you know, set the tone, put some good vibes in this new house, clear the energy. Plus Wilson's never done a sound bath before, so I think it was a great opportunity to just do it. So now we are here, we're cleaning and preparing. Earlier today, we had a couple people come to the house. We built my standing desk in my office, and then we just had like someone come over to give us quotes for countertops because we're still in the process of doing our kitchen. We're making progress. It's slow progress, but it's progress. Is there any like big pieces? This is Ro.
Hi!
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me. I'm so excited.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Very exciting new chapter for the both of you. I love to describe it as a meditative experience using sound to help you get into that deeper state of relaxation or whatever it is that you want to release. Sound baths are experienced differently by everyone, even though we are experiencing the same one. Some people get tingles, some people get visions, so everyone's different. Whatever your experience is for you. So really just being open to the experience, and then when I start singing, it's sometimes I don't even know what I sing, sometimes I don't remember because it's really just all coming from pureness and the light and love. This is a message for you to receive at this time.
Ooh, of course.
Wow! Honesty, yeah, mine's patience.
Honesty, I can't always expect the truth from others, but I can expect it from myself. So I think my intention for today is just like, I guess, set the tone for the energy of the house. And also for, I told you how I've been like going through healing, so it's more for me to like center into like the new version of me, because I know that I've been changing a lot lately.
My intention is to keep open mind today and just experience it for the first time and just let it take me where it takes me.
Just taking a moment to notice your body. As you inhale your intention that you spoke of earlier today, and as you exhale, you let go of your intention to the universe.
nice.
Thank you.
Wow.
Yeah, you get dozed off there a little bit.
The phrase that kept coming to me during the sound bath was new house, new self. As we are physically creating the space, we are essentially growing into our new selves. I also thought about my intention for this home, which is to create a creative and wellness oasis, and felt like this sound bath was the perfect way to initiate that intention and the vibe that I wanted to create here. My hope is for this home to be a space where we can explore our creativity and nurture our wellness, a place that feels calm, beautiful, and inspiring. Thanks so much for being a part of this journey, my loves. I'm so excited to share the rest of the process and to see what the future holds. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.